Hello everyone, hope you're alright. In today's video, I'm going to plant marigold plants in my patio containers. I grew these from seeds and you can see they are nice and healthy and they are ready to go in the ground or in the patio containers. So this is my vegetable garden here and I have lined the edges with lots of patio containers, and you can see I have got strawberries here in these containers and they are loaded with blooms and strawberries. Here I have got a container with nasturtiums in it next to this arch, and I'm going to train it up against this arch. So this nasturtium will cover the arch and there is plenty of room in this container on the other side. So I'm going to put few marigold plants in it. I think they will look absolutely beautiful alongside these nasturtiums. So as you can see, I have carefully taken out one seedling and this is nice and tall. I have filled the container with multipurpose compost and this is nice and loose and it has added fertilizer in it. So I'm going to make a little hole and put the seedling in it without disturbing the root system and press it in its place so there are no air pockets around the roots. And that way I'm going to plant at least 4 to 5 seedlings in this container. I have included the link in the description box where I started these marigold plants from seeds. So if you are interested, please check it out. So I have accommodated more seedlings in this container than I thought, and this is my nasturtium and marigold planter, so I think it will look awesome. Next I'm going to plant just a marigold container. So I have got this container that almost the same size, is 40 centimeter diameter. I have filled it with same sort of multipurpose compost, leaving 1 to 2 inches of lip, and I'm going to place as many seedlings as possible in this container. So they will be all marigold seedlings and I think it will make an awesome display in my veg garden. Also, marigolds are really good in companion planting, so you can plant them near your veggies and they act as a natural pesticide. So basically they deter lots of insects and they attract some bugs towards themselves, so your veggies stay protected from the attack of those bugs and nematodes like slugs and snails. And they also make excellent cut flowers. You can cut them for your fresh flower arrangements. So I really like the marigolds and I think they are versatile plants. They have lots of uses in fresh flower arrangements in veggie gardens and they look absolutely beautiful on their own, or you can mix them with some other plants like I did with nasturtiums. And after planting your containers, it's really important to water them really well so they stay nice and moist and they will be much more happy. As I said, this compost has already added fertilizer in it, so I haven't added anything while planting the seedlings, but I will start fertilizing the plants on a weekly schedule from next week. So I will use a water soluble fertilizer, well balanced fertilizer with good ratio of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, which will help the plants to establish and bloom even more. And here are the seedlings which I haven't used because they are really tiny at the moment, so seeds are still germinating. So I'm going to water them and place them back in my greenhouse, and I'll be using them later in more projects. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my gardening videos. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.